For WKNO News in Memphis, I'm Christopher Blank. Tennessee is now the second state in the country that allows the death penalty for people convicted of child rape. Florida was the first, but whether the state will be able to enact the change will likely be tied up in a court case. That's because the Supreme Court deemed capital punishment in child sexual battery cases unconstitutional in 2008. Tennessee's Republican sponsors of the bill made it clear they would be ready to fight a court battle over the issue. Governor Bill Lee, however, said his purpose wasn't to test the Supreme Court, but rather to put in place a policy he agrees with.
Those particular crimes against children are some of the most heinous that there are, and I think that's why the General Assembly considered and subsequently and ultimately passed that piece of legislation, and I decided to agree with it and sign it.
The law takes effect July 1st. Executions in Tennessee are currently on hold until the Department of Corrections develops a new plan for putting inmates to death. Today is a crucial deadline for students taking advantage of Tennessee's free community and technical college program, Tennessee Promise. WPLN's Alexis Marshall says students must complete the free application for federal student aid, better known as FAFSA, by the end of the day.
The application has been mired with delays and hiccups this year, which has complicated the college selection process for lots of students. At the start of this month, just over 60% of graduating seniors who applied for the program had submitted their FAFSA online. Jason C. with the Tennessee Higher Education Commission says some students think of Promise as a backup plan. For them, he has this advice.
Go ahead and complete the requirements so that you have the opportunity if come June, July, even the 1st of August, something happens and you find yourself now needing to attend a community college or TCAT, at least you have that option.
In addition to the FAFSA deadline, students also need to complete 8 hours of community service by July 1st. Alexis Marshall, WPLN News.
Shelby County Clerk Wanda Halbert says she won't be resigning after an official petition to remove her from office was filed earlier this month. Halbert's attorney, Daryl O'Neill, said he is seeking dismissal of the petition, saying that the litany of negligence found by Special Prosecutor Cody Wamp does not rise to the level of willful misconduct. Judge Felicia Corbin Johnson will hear the case on May 31st. This is 91.1. More news at WKNOFM.org and on the WKNO app.